Last time we started section 12.3, and we were taking a look at some additional constructions. We have 2 more constructions left in this section to take a look at, and then we've got just one after that in 12.4. That'll bring us to a total of 13, like Jesus and the 12 disciples, right? 13. Okay. All right, so we had done up to here a tangent line. A tangent line is a line that intersects a circle in exactly one point. Okay, so you usually kind of have this feeling that it's resting on the circle, right? The line is sort of resting against the edge of the circle. A line perpendicular to a radius at the circle's edge is tangent to the circle. If I have a picture of this or not. I had one on the previous screen, sort of, so let me just look at this one with you. So all of these lines that are touching the circle have these perpendiculars drawn against them, which makes these all tangent lines. That's what we just described. Okay? So all those are actually tangent lines. And if we combine that image from 2 screens ago, or from the last screen, with this definition, we can actually see that the sides of triangle ABC, like I mentioned from the last figure, are all tangent to the circle. And the circle then has this radius of PM, PQ, or I'm sorry, PM, PK, or PN. When this happens, we say that the circle is inscribed in the triangle. The center of the circle is called the incircle, and it's the incenter of the triangle. So the vocabulary feels a lot like when we did circumcircle and circumcenter, because it was circumscribed. The circle was circumscribed around the triangle instead of being inscribed inside of the triangle. Okay, does everyone have those filled in? Okay, so let me just talk briefly about the last 2 videos that we're going to create, basically, for the constructions. What we're going to have is and I think it's on your picture already. If not, we'll have to draw it. I can't remember if I put them on there or not. We're going to have a line, and we're going to have a point not on the line, and then we're going to have a line, we're going to have a point on the line. Okay? And we're going to create perpendiculars to that particular point. Okay? So we're going to construct perpendicular lines. We aren't specifically looking for perpendicular bisectors, so in some sense we've already done this. We've constructed a perpendicular bisector before. But right now we're looking at a perpendicular through a specific point. And last time when we did perpendiculars, it had to be through through the midpoint of the segment we were looking at. So we have sort of a little bit more leeway, and in some ways a little bit less leeway than the construction we did before. All right, so we're going to take a look at both of these.